Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Oppo Reno 7. Start by opening Play Store on both devices. Now you need to tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then download this app from this developer and open it. Now select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other device. And after that we can finally select send on an Android and receive on Oppo. Then you need to tap on all of those type of dots and choose send. This way you will select all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take some time, so I will go with only one photo. For example, that one. Choose send and tap on got it. Over here on Oppo you need to choose no thanks and tap on close this window. From here we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Oppo, choosing allow or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also connect our devices by inputting this code over here and choosing receive. Now, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!